kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make dumpling. Dumpling is the most famous in Southeast Asia. In other part they call momos. So let's see the recipes. For the dumpling we need dough. So for that I have here 500 grams of all-purpose flour, and I will add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of salt and some water. So first of all, you will mix all the mixture very well, and then you will start adding water little by little until all the mixture is mixed well. So little by little you will add water. Just mix it well. Until the dough is become soft and smooth. As you can see, the dough is becoming soft and smooth. So in this stage, you can cover it and just rest it for 1 hour. Just keep it aside. For the stuffing, we need chopped onion, ginger garlic paste, minced chicken, and chopped spring onion. So now I'm going to put one by one. I'm going to use the spoon. Ginger garlic paste, chicken. This is, I use 500 grams of chickens for the 500 grams of all-purpose flour. So this is a chopped spring onion. Then at the same time you can add like 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of pepper and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. This is normal cooking oil. I use the sunflower oil. And here I have soy sauce. 2, 3. Okay, just enough because I already add the salt. So you will mix it well all together. Just combine all the mixtures very well. It's nice to use the onion, so it will make dumpling juicy. So it will be, the taste is very good. Now our mixture is ready. So this is the time to check the momo dough. Now time to check the dough. Let's see this dough. Oh, the dough is soft and smooth now, so I will take it out. Just use the all-purpose broth just to prevent the stick. Okay, just make a little bit like that, and I will cut it into half. I will make it a little bit just roll it until it becomes long. You will roll the dough to become a long shape. So if like this shape is enough, So you can keep it like this, and then you will cut according to which size you like to make momo. Alright, this you will cut it equally so all the momo shape will be the same. Just cut it, and here. So almost done. That's it. Then you will make, okay, you will just pick one of them and you will just make a little bit round ball. Just keep it the side. Just make it a little bit round and just keep it the side. So the momo shape will be nice. Now time to do the flatten the dough. Okay, you will use a little bit like this, and then turn to other side. Okay, and keep it the side. Make one more. So that's enough. Now I will do the stuffing. So you will take 1 spoon of chicken and we'll just do the folding slowly. Make like this, and this is the round shape of folding. It's okay. Another type of folding. You just take the 1 spoon of chicken and you will close it each other, and you will make like this, slowly by slowly, and on the other side you will seal with your fingers like this. So this is the long shape of folding. Now all the dumplings are ready. So this is the time for steaming. First of all, you will brush the oil where you want to steam, so it will not stick all the dumplings, and the bottom and the side as well. You just put it well, and you will place the dumpling one by one, just like that. Right, just move it a little bit. I make it two different shapes. So just put it, and then we can put one more. I think that's enough. So just cover and wait for 20 minutes. Now steaming for 20 minutes is done. So let's check. Wow, the smell is very nice. So We will transfer it to the plate. Yeah, just transfer it. The smell is very nice. So our momo is ready now. Time for the tasting. So I will try with the tomato and garlic sauce. Very nice. It's really perfect. Okay, the momo is really nice. Here, garlic chili white sauce, garlic tomato sauce, and red chili sauce. So if you want to know how to make the dumpling sauce, please write in the comment below. So I will make for you in the separate video. Thank you for watching, and who don't subscribe yet, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.